Yeah, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do fake WhatsApp video call, and it works perfectly. Then watch. You can see this is not my face. This is video that I selected from my gallery, and you see it replaced my face instead of showing my face to the person that I'm calling. Yeah, this is the only way you can do fake video call with one phone. So when you sign your WhatsApp in this app that I'm going to review after this lesson, when you sign your WhatsApp there, you are going to make fake video call for free. You can see choose local video call. Video size should match the target app required. Otherwise, the display will be abnormal or black screen. Enable audio. If you enable audio, the video you choose, the person you call will be hearing the voice of the video. But if you off the audio, the person will not hear the voice of the video. When you speak, the person will hear what you are saying. So in this place, we are going to choose the video we are going to use to do this thing, and we are going to see that everything. Please always remember to off this enable audio. Don't on this enable audio, because if on this enable audio, the person you are calling will be hearing the video sound. So this is the video that I choose. I'm going to mark it now. This is the video that I have chosen. So to use to replace my face. Now, like as you can see, choose local video. When you choose local video, then save it. If you save it now, the video you choose will replace your voice with your face when you call. Don't worry, I'll call myself. I will not call anybody. Let me search. I'll search Suggest Pro. That's my number. I have two number. Let me check if this one will connect, because I have poor network. As you can see, it is ringing. Then I'm going to set this video to match the screen, so that when the person I'm calling will be seeing the normal video, not the video that is turned like this. See, I am setting the video now. The video will stay in normal position, so that when the person pick the call, he will be seeing this video perfectly like this. So when you choose the normal video where you want use to do your fake video call, you can set it and it will be normal. One thing is that I don't like this video. I'll choose another video. I'll choose this little girl you are seeing. Let me mark it to replace the camera, because the video that I've already chosen is not matching the screen well. Let me choose another. I've chosen another video. Let me save it and let us try it again, and you will see it is working perfectly. You will see it. When you show something like this, don't panic. When you say video camera is an app used for live broadcasting assistance in order to avoid possible risk, it is only for individual use and does not support any blah blah like that. Just close the whole app and open the app again, and it will start working perfectly again. So don't panic when you try something like that. When you close the whole app and open it again, it will start working. Let us close the whole app and open it again. I've opened the V camera again. This is the app that you're going to download from the Play Store before you start and install your WhatsApp on it. When you install your WhatsApp on it, then you choose the video as I did it, and when you call somebody, the person will be hearing, you will be seeing the video you choose instead of your real face. So this is how to make fake WhatsApp video call. Let us call. As you can see, the little girl I choose is now on my video camera instead of my face. You are not seeing my face. You are only seeing the little girl I selected from the video. And you can see I don't have network. Network is disturbing. And one thing you have to understand is that you have to set the video camera to match the screen of this phone. Please always set. You can see camera channel setting. If the video is not positioned well, before you call another person, please try to call another phone that you can see how the video is showing, because sometimes you can call and the video did not match the size of the video the app that you're making call from, like it's not matching the size of the size of WhatsApp call, then if you don't set it well, the video will not show. The video will be black screen. You see how the app wrote it. Please always call the phone that you are seeing before you call another person. If you want prank person, use it to prank person. Don't use it to scam anybody. This is for educational purpose. I am saying it and saying it open. Please don't fall in any victim. This is for educational purpose. Person can make fake WhatsApp call. Please pay attention. Don't send money because you see Oyibo, or Oyibo should not send money because he or she see his follow Oyibo. If you do it is your own risk. So this is fake WhatsApp video call they are showing you. Always confirm before you send money or before you do business with anybody whom you don't know. Please, I am begging you, even if you know the person, try to ask the person to come so that you people will do physical business. Don't do online business to avoid scamming you. Fake WhatsApp call is live. They can make fake WhatsApp call, they can make fake Telegram call, they can make fake any social media call. Don't say you see Oyibo, go send money. Don't do am. Please, I'm begging you. Alright, if you find this video lesson helpful, if you enjoy this video lesson, please all you have to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kindly turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload new video like this, you'll be able to grab it and see it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video to your friends. Make sure they learn it proper, and always like my video. Please comment if you don't understand something. Ask me reasonable question. I'll answer you the way you want it. Please don't ask me question that I won't be able to answer. Ask me any question related to this video that I show you and I'll answer you. Please, this is for educational purpose.